What's up, girl? How are we doing today?
Hey, doing good.
What are we doing today?
We are skydiving for the second time.
For the second time.
Second time.
I like that. What
Yes.
made you come out again?
I had so much fun the first time. I couldn't wait to do it again.
I like that. I like that. Any occasion today or just for the heck of
Just
it?
for fun. Just
That's
for fun.
awesome. So we're going pretty high today
Yeah.
and pretty fast towards the ground.
Yeah.
And you know what it's like now.
Yes.
Does that make you more nervous or less?
A little bit less.
A little
but
bit.
not much.
I like that. I like that. Well, I tell you what, you keep on smiling at me. We'll have some fun out there, okay?
All right, thanks.
Awesome. Coming up to 6,000 feet, that means we're just about halfway there. How you feeling?
Great.
Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. You excited for the second time?
Yeah.
How's this guy feeling? However he's feeling.
Okay.
However he's feeling, I want you to take care of him. He's got a few more to do today, okay? Have fun, keep smiling, we'll see you outside, all right? fun as the first time?
Yes, it was cool. It was almost even better, actually.
Now, would you do it a third?
I would. I'm probably coming back next summer.
I love it. Congratulations. Thank you very much for coming with us today. Right there. Beautiful, guys. Thank you very much.